Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? Today, we're delving into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was released on our website on Monday, March 18, 2024, and now we're presenting a more in-depth analysis for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the curve and be informed about any developments that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate with a score of 1.86. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have seen a significant increase of 29.07% since we recommended Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.26% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 81.56% change over the next quarter, with an expected return ranging between 71.7% and 105.87%. Examining the 12-month trend, a 60.92% change is forecasted over the next year, with a potential return between 27.67% and 79.64%. This equates to a price range of $48.69 to $68.52 by the end of the year. Our latest update on Ishares Bitcoin Trust highlights a recent decline, with the headline reading, "Red Day on Monday for Ishares Bitcoin Trust." On Monday, March 18, 2024, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price dropped by -3.17%, decreasing from $39.39 to $38.14. This marked the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.16%, ranging from a low of $37.93 to a high of $39.13. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -1.32%. It is worth noting that the trading volume decreased by -23 million shares on the last day, aligning with the ETF's movement. In total, 45 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.72 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price at $41.99 and its lowest at $21.54. Currently, the price stands at $3.85 below the 52-week high, representing a 9.16% decrease. The highest price of $41.99 also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Ishares Bitcoin Trust signals. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average and a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average above the long-term average, a general buy signal is indicated for the ETF, forecasting positive stock performance. Potential resistance is at $40.06, with support at $31.83. A breakout above the short-term average triggers a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average signals a sell. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Negative signals, including a recent sell signal and a -9.08% decrease, suggest a potential further decline until a new bottom pivot is established. Decreased volume with falling prices reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust has support levels at $35.42 and $35.32. If the current support at $35.42 is breached, the next support level is expected at $35.32 and $34.45. This indicates a potential downward trend if the support levels are not maintained. Due to high volatility, this ETF is considered very high risk. In the last day, it exhibited a price range of $1.20 and a daily average volatility of 4.73% over the past week. Now, let's explore potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $39.51. If you are considering entering a position, look for a breach of this level. Existing stockholders may find this level suitable for swing trading. Conversely, the first support level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $35.42. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $35.95, which reflects a decrease of 5.74%. This ETF experiences significant daily movements, resulting in high risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top 3 days ago. Is Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there is a buying opportunity for Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF in the short term. Our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued after assessing volatility and recent movements. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, March 19th, we anticipate Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open at $38.40, up by $0.260. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you take full responsibility for your investment actions. Presenting our current analysis of the stock. We value your input. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What price target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing. Wishing you prosperous trading and a wonderful day ahead on behalf of the entire StockInvest team.